And we're off. The first ever Dodgems that I've put on YouTube. And they're going to have it as well. No head-on bumping. Women drivers. Whoa! Oh, she's right at my ass. I can't get her off my ass. Right, payback, payback. James Danter's Dodgems. These are manufactured by Harry Spear. They're a new set of Dodgems. These were manufactured in 2021. Oh, shit! Blimey, they doubled up on me there. And there we have it. Let's have these thumbs up for YouTube then. James Danter's Waltzers.